It's Ian here from Booth's Garden Studios, just to show you, if you visit our factory, the studios we have. We have a 12 by 8 over there and a 12 by 9 with a flyover roof here and decking. There's parking here, and then we have studios and annexes in here. This is an L-shaped annex. This is a large QC7, although there will be a QC8 now. And then we have a 16 by 8 QCB5 and a Forever shed and our gymnasium, a 20, I think it's 20 by 8. And then we've got two more annexes around the corner here, a 16 by 17 and a 20 by 17. So it'd be lovely to see you if you can make it along. Come and say hi.